Hello everyone, we are Marc and Luis and we are going to explain how to assemble a computer. To assemble the computer we are going to use these tools: a screwdriver, paper or a clean surface to lift the components, pliers, plastic ties, pair of scissors, thermal paste, cleaning alcohol, and then these components: a Rock 8110 Pro PTC motherboard, Intel Celeron G4920 processor, two 120GB solid drives, PC case IP500 power supply, an 8GB masking essential RAM card, an Intel fan, and a Knox box packs at the X-Meet Tower.
To begin the assemble, we will place the CPU on the motherboard as follows, and then the heatsink. Take care that the CPU is in the correct position. As we can see, it is not necessary to apply thermal paste since it is already on the heatsink. Then we will put the RAM. We are going to take a look to the notch position, and then we are going to apply the RAM in it position, applying a little bit of force, and then listening to the click.
Now we are going to assemble the power supply. We will place it in the upper rear part of the box and we will pass the cable through the back of the box.
Now we are going to mount the motherboard in the box with 4 screws in the standoffs.
Next, we are going to install the storage devices and we are going to screw them.
The next step is to mount the graphic card. We will assemble it in the PCI Express slot and then screw it.
Now we are going to do the wiring. The first thing we are going to connect will be the power connector, and then we will connect the 12V cable, the modems and fans, the SATA and the SATA power for the storage devices, and the USB and audio cables and front panel.
To finish that building, we will make the cable tie. In our case, we have done it from the back as it is more presentable. We will close the covers and install the operating system, and we have our PC completed. Thanks for watching us, and I hope you had enjoyed that building.